We are at Pokuase Afiaman currently reporting live from the scenes after the flooding yesterday. So as we speak, people are devastated. People have lost their properties. Their rooms has been flooded and they are trying to clear the water. Some are homeless.
Ndra ana adwome kwa adwuma nti ye frɛ me sɛ nsuo start sɛ ɛtɔ awɔ ye honom no na ɛsɛ sɛ me fa nsuo no mu ba because me nim after rain no de betimi ayɛ den betimi si wɔ electoral area no mu nti me fa nsuo no brɛbrɛ wo saa na bedu fie no ɛyɛ asɛm fɛ kai
Yesterday around 4:30, I was about closing work and then my cousin called that our place got flooded. So as you can see, if taking pictures and you've seen the place is frustrating. Yeah.
So the flooding, what did you lose? What did you lose?
I'm an Afrobeat artist. If you take a look there, the camera can take the shots later. You can see that my sound card, my mic, some of my monitors, a lot of things, the chairs, the mattress, some of my clothes for work. I hung some of the things, but then the level of the water came way up, so yeah.
Looking at the situation, it seems people have built on the waterways that is not giving a proper inflow, and this could be one of the factors that caused the flooding.
Sani omusisi down wahano. Inti no mo yes side na ekwaso na because say nsuo no unhu na namo mo ankasa because obi ntumi because of one no property or person oyenti no owo sika obeto obekwa akoto asase no no afere ne ma no ono asi down wo ni yen ye wa akire na yen innocent people ni ye mum na e den ye take effect no
before the tama etaisi no yetimi ye fa excavator ebe timu uti gota no mu a nsuo no ba at least enya that pressure no emba mbewura ye dem sa ya involve assembly some time ago amoba be susu bridges bia I say am enlarge bridges no up to now yenti amonka yeah so at least you are putting up effort kakra but still
if you take a look at the place, there are some places that they are not supposed to be houses there, but they've built houses there, and those things have caused the passage of the water. So they should constructively find a way that they can do a survey and then try and open these gutters and create a proper drainage system.
Flooding. So you could see from the area how the rain has taken over the boundaries, extending to various homes surrounding the gutter that transits to Pokuase and coming from Maera thereabouts. And you could see that bringing all sort of garbages from various homes into the gutter and then extending onto the streets of Afiaman and its surroundings.
Yeah, big man.
Moving your life.
This is Snap TV's breaking news report from Pokuase Afiaman on the flooding incident that happened yesterday. Thank you for watching and keep on watching Snap TV. Bye.